In this video, you will learn how to fill small holes using your touch-up kit. Your touch-up kit will come with detailed instructions on how to use the products included in it. In addition to watching this video, please carefully read the instructions as well. The contents of your touch-up kit may vary slightly depending on whether it is for a stained or painted cabinet. We'll demonstrate how to fill a small nail hole. The first thing you'll want to do is with your fingernail, scrape it and make sure there's no splinters sticking up. Then, gently rub your fill stick across the nail hole. Gently push it down as you fill the hole. Continue applying it until the hole is filled. Next, use the card scraper tool to remove the excess material from the surface. Then, use the white abrasive pad to rub off any excess waxy residue. Now, use the marker included in your touch-up kit to apply a little color. You may repeat this step as necessary until you have a proper blend. Please refer to our video on using the marker for proper usage instructions. Please note that these fill sticks are designed primarily for use in molding and trim pieces and may not be acceptable for use on cabinet faces. If you need to touch up outward-facing surfaces of cabinets, please look at our aerosol kits and the associated videos for them.